In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trend line in TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, learning how to effectively use trend lines is essential for analyzing market trends and making informed trading decisions. So let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to TradingView's website. TradingView is a powerful platform that allows you to track all markets in real time. Once you've accessed the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This will make the process smoother as we move forward. Next, we want to click on Super Charts. You'll find this option on the main screen, and it's your gateway to a more detailed view of the markets. Super Charts offer a robust set of tools for traders, which includes our focus for today, the trend line. Now, direct your attention to the upper left side of the chart interface. Here, you'll see several icons and options that provide various functionalities. This area is your main control panel for working with charts in TradingView. Look for the section where we can select drawing tools to begin creating our trend line. In this control panel, find and click on the option labeled Trendline. TradingView offers a variety of drawing tools, but for now, our task is to master the trend line, an invaluable tool for revealing market trends. Selecting this option will activate the Trendline drawing tool, enabling us to start sketching on the chart. With the Trendline tool activated, we'll begin the process of making our trend line. This is where the real analysis begins. Click on the starting point of your trend. This could be a recent low or high depending on the trend direction you wish to analyze. Drag your cursor to the end point on the chart where you wish to place the line. Make sure to align the line with key price points that define the trend you're evaluating. The trend line should ideally touch 2 or more price points, acting as a visual representation of the trend direction. Finally, after you've placed your trend line, take a moment to review your work and ensure it accurately captures the market trend you are observing. You can adjust it if necessary, ensuring the trend line fits closely along significant price movements. Adding trend lines effectively can significantly enhance your technical analysis and trading strategy in TradingView. By following these simple steps, you can confidently use trend lines to better understand market dynamics and identify potential opportunities. And there you have it. You've successfully added a trend line to your TradingView charts. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to explore different charts and continue honing your skills. TradingView provides endless opportunities to sharpen your trading insights. Thank you for watching and happy trading.